If you've ever tried to choose a data pipeline tool, you already know the landscape is huge, and choosing the right tool depends on the specific job. In this video, we'll examine 5 of the best tools in their categories, break down their features, highlight their strengths and weaknesses, and conclude with a simple comparison table. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of how each tool fits different use cases. Before we look at the tools, let's take a moment to define what we mean by a data pipeline. A data pipeline is a sequence of steps that moves data from various sources, then transforms it and makes it available for analytics or applications. Typically, it includes extraction, pulling data from sources like CRMs, SaaS applications, or databases; transformation, preparing the data for use; and loading, sending it to another system of your choice. In most cases, data flows from cloud apps to a pipeline tool, then into a data warehouse, and finally to BI dashboards. In this video, we'll examine the top tools on the market, their key features, and the use cases for which they're best suited. So let's move on to the tools. Skyvia is a cloud-based no-code data pipeline platform that covers a wide range of integration scenarios, including ETL, ELT, reverse ETL, one-way and two-way sync, and even workflow automation. Skyvia stands out for its flexibility. Simple data pipelines can be set up in a guided wizard, while more advanced workflows are built in a visual designer with orchestration and conditional logic. For analytics, Skyvia also offers basic dbt core transformations. Skyvia supports more than 200 connectors, including major cloud apps and databases. On the security side, it is SOC 2 certified and GDPR compliant. Skyvia is the best choice for teams who want an all-purpose no-code data pipeline tool to handle ETL and ELT, reverse ETL, and bidirectional sync without engineering work. Fivetran is focused on the ELT approach. It extracts data from the sources, loads it into the warehouse, and keeps everything in sync with minimal effort on your part. Fivetran claims support for more than 700 connectors, which is one of the largest libraries in the industry. It also integrates tightly with dbt core, making modeling easier for analytics engineers. Another big advantage is governance. Fivetran excels in auditing, permissions, and lineage, and offers hybrid deployment options for more stringent environments. Its main downside is the high cost and limited flexibility beyond the ELT model. Fivetran is best suited for companies that need fully managed ELT pipelines, enterprise governance, and a massive connector ecosystem. Airbyte is an open-source ELT platform built around flexibility and extensibility. If you need control over your environment, your deployment, and your costs, this tool is worth a look. Airbyte can be deployed as a self-hosted solution or through its managed cloud service. It allows teams to build custom connectors, tailor the architecture, and scale the platform as needed. Thanks to its modular design and active community, Airbyte has become one of the fastest-growing ELT products. However, with self-hosted deployments, responsibility for updates, maintenance, and infrastructure remains on the user side, which requires dedicated engineering resources. Airbyte is the best choice for teams that want open-source flexibility, custom connectors, and control over the environment, and have an engineering team to support it. Airflow is a powerful pipeline orchestrator. It lets you define directed acyclic graphs, manage dependencies, run multi-step jobs, automate schedules, handle retrieves and alerts, and monitor job results. Airflow is a Python-based, open-source tool, making it highly customizable. While it doesn't perform specific data replication itself, it's ideal for managing the entire pipeline. You can plug in almost any data tool, call APIs, coordinate transformations, trigger third-party jobs, and automate workflows. It's widely used across the industry by companies with large-scale data operations, but it's not targeted at beginners. Airflow is best suited for orchestrating complex, multi-step pipelines with support for dependencies and monitoring. Talend is an enterprise-grade data integration and ETL platform focused on data quality. It's designed for hybrid environments, both on-premise and cloud. You can find a large suite of tools for enterprise data operations, such as metadata management, data catalog, lineage, and governance. However, it tends to be more complex and costly, which makes it a better fit for organizations with mature data infrastructures and dedicated engineering teams. Talend works best in large organizations that require enterprise ETL as part of a broad governed data ecosystem. Choosing the right data pipeline tool depends on your needs. Let's take a look at the final comparison table. Skyvia is a universal no-code platform for ETL, ELT, data synchronization, and reverse ETL. Fivetran focuses on fully managed ELT with strong governance. Airbyte delivers open-source ELT with the flexibility to build custom connectors. Apache Airflow specializes in orchestrating complex, multi-step data workflows, and Talend provides enterprise-grade ETL with a strong emphasis on data quality and governance. We hope this overview helps you choose the tool that fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.